Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So late yesterday in my region on the 21st of January, AMD has released its first Windows GPU driver for the year. And the update brings a feature which I think is a nice move in the right direction, where AMD has now added a checkbox to the installation options that will allow you to opt out of AR features with basically just a click. So if we head over to the release notes for the latest Adrenalin edition, 26.1.1, here we can see the highlights, new features, optional install of AR bundle. And I'll leave this in the description if you'd like to get your hands on the download link, which is part of this article. And you can read more about the AR bundle. But if we head over to an image provided, here we can see in the installation wizard, you can uncheck AR bundle or check it. And you are saving, according to what I'm seeing in this screenshot, 34 gigabytes of space by just not including the new AR bundle, because it's optional install of the AR bundle. So that's quite a bit of disk space if you don't need the AR features. Now, AMD describes the AR bundle as, and I'm quoting, with the AMD software, Adrenalin Edition, AR bundle, AMD brings next level simplicity to local AR setup, integrated as an optional feature within the AMD software Adrenalin Edition application. The AR bundle lets you install everything you need to start building and running AR workloads with just one click, as I mentioned. So I like it when we get options. So if you are running an AMD-based system and want to get your hands on this latest driver, then I think this is definitely a step in the right direction. And then just a quick look at some highlights. Here are the new products that are supported. You can just pause the video at the relevant timestamp. Here we've got the new game support. Here are issues that have been fixed. As mentioned, just pause if you need more information, or as mentioned, the changelog will be down in the description. Here are the known issues. And here's the driver download link if you want to get your hands on the driver. And here are the Radeon product compatibility. Here's your checklist to see which products are compatible. So the main point of this video was just to bring your attention to the optional install of an AR bundle, which I think is great. I like it when we get options. And at the end of the day, could save you quite a bit of disk space in the long run. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.